Hidden beneath the waves are one of the most colourful and exotic-looking groups of animal species in Ireland. While they may look more at home on a tropical reef, Irish waters are home to at least 250 species of sponges, with maybe as many waiting to be discovered. But what is a sponge? Sponges belong to a group of animals called porifera, meaning pore bearer. While sponges can be extremely variable in appearance, the majority of them have the same structure, with a body pierced by multiple small pores from which water is funneled within a series of canals through the sponge's body, and out again through one or more larger openings called oscules. This current of water through the sponge body is powered by some special cells lining the inside of the canals, characterized by a whip-like structure called flagellum, which creates the water current. The same cells also have a skirt of cell protrusions around the flagellum, which filter from the water the food particles the sponges feed on. While some sponges are soft to touch as we imagine them, the majority we can see when we dive or snorkel have a skeleton composed of microscopic structures made from calcium carbonate or silica called spicules. Why is recording sponges important? Even though you see them on every dive, sponges are under-recorded compared to other marine species. And marine species tend to be under-recorded compared to land-based species. Sponges can be indicators of marine pollution and the health of aquatic ecosystems, while some sponge species are invasive and can cause damage to man-made structures. Seasearch Ireland is a citizen science project which collects records of marine species in Irish waters and submits them to the National Biodiversity Data Centre, where those records are available to researchers, policymakers, and anyone interested in Irish marine wildlife. Some sponges are extremely distinctive, like the bright yellow boring sponge, but most sponges are hard to tell apart in the water. Luckily, sponges can be distinguished by their spicules, though even then, some species need to be identified using their DNA. This is where the Seasearch Ireland Sponge Project comes in. Divers and snorkelers can take photos and samples of sponges they find at their local sites and submit them to Seasearch Ireland, where the photos and spicules will be examined and the sponge identified for the recorder. These samples will then be stored for future genetic analysis by scientists from the University of Galway. On the shore, you can record sponges through the National Biodiversity Data Centre's Explore Your Shore programme. Divers and snorkelers can take part in our sponge safari by recording 6 common and easily visually identifiable sponges species at their local dive site or signing up to the Sponge Project.